Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarna Khadilkar. I'm professor and head of the Obstetrics and Gynecology Department and consultant endocrinologist at Bombay Hospital, Mumbai. Please connect to this link on 10th of July at 3 p.m. as I'm going to give a talk on the role of vitamin D in obstetrics and gynecology. I'm sure all of you know the traditional role of vitamin D in musculoskeletal health of the women, but it has got much wider spectrum of action. Vitamin D can be play important role in women's health in all aspects. It is implicated in PCOS, it is implicated in prevention of cancer, it is implicated in many such women's health issues. And in COVID times, vitamin D acts, as all of you know, a great immune booster. So all this information will be discussed on 10th of July, 3 p.m. Please connect. The lecture will go on for half an hour to 45 minutes and we'll all have discussion, question and answer at the end. I sincerely thank Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, President of FOGSI, Dr. Jaideep Tang, Secretary General of FOGSI, for giving me this opportunity to connect with you. I also thank Looping for supporting this activity, and I really appreciate DocMore for providing this wonderful educational platform. Thank you.